What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have another failed repair attempt to do. This time a customer tried it at home and found out that this is actually much harder than it looks. And I know it looks easy, so a lot of people get a desire to try to do it by themselves, save some money, but most of the times, actually almost all of the times, it goes the way this thing went, and you need to hire a professional to do it, and you made it much worse. It's gonna be harder now for me to fix it, but hey, that's what it is. That's what we're here for. Let's take a look at the damage and then get it done. This is how it looks now. We don't know how it looked before, but the paint is cracked here. We're going to try to get it as best as we can. In order to fix this, we're gonna first have to drop down the headliner, then fix it from the bottom. We're gonna try to touch up all the broken, cracked paint, and that's that. We got the headliner down. The dent is all in the open. Up here, it's good access to it. There we go. We're gonna start by knocking down the high spots. All right, we got this thing flat. We'll do sand and polish. Try to get it better. This is where this thing was. You can see all the marks from tapping down. You can see all the two sharp high spots that they were created before. Let's sand and polish and see what we come up with. Sand it, buffed it. All we need to do now is put the headliner back up and it's ready to roll out of here. Please make sure you click the like and the subscribe button down below if you like this repair, so you're gonna know when I release the next video. Now, I think we got this pretty good. I'm going to show you the after video. I'm sure the customer will be really happy about this. And please don't try this at home unless you're a professional. Remember, it takes years and years of training and practice to do PDR. I know it looks easy, but it's not. All right, take care, and I will see you on the next one.